no air. Here. Number 2, shining bright just like dew. Venus is the brightest object except for the moon. Earth. Here. Number 3, Earth is home to you and me. The Earth is a ball of rock almost covered by oceans. Mars. Here. Number 4, ready to explore. Mars is about half the size of Earth. Mars doesn't have any atmosphere. Jupiter. Here. Number 5, largest planet that's no dive. Jupiter is so large that if it was hollow, 1,000 planets the size of Earth would fit inside it. Saturn. Here. Number 6, rings of suns and ice that mix. A year on Saturn is about 30 Earth years long. Uranus. Here. Number 7, planet tilted high in heaven. Uranus looks bluey-green and it is so far from the sun that it is very cold. Neptune. Here. Number 8, suns are spots the size is great. A year on Neptune is 165 Earth years long. It has at least 20 moons.